Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you Social Science of Grade 7, Chapter 5, India, Agriculture, Industry and Transportation. Let's start the chapter. India is an agricultural country. About 70% of the people are engaged in agricultural activities. The prosperity of the country is based on the development of agriculture. Different types of crops are grown in India. Crops grown are useful either for food or for industry. Agriculture has progressed by leaps and bounds after independence. Now India is guiding the developing nations in industrial technology. Dear students, you have already studied about Gujarat's agriculture, industry and transportation in Standard 6. Now we will study about the agriculture in India. Students, India is an agricultural country. About 70% of the people are engaged in agricultural activities. India is guiding the developing nations of the world in industrial technology. Write the crops grown in Gujarat. Students, here you can write the name of the crops which grows in Gujarat. For example, you can write jawar, wheat, bajri, groundnut, corn, cotton, paddy, etc. Write the industries of Gujarat. Students, many industries have developed in Gujarat. For example, cotton industry, cement industry, sugar industry, petrochemical industry, engineering industry, salt industry, fishing industry, and many more industries. Agriculture in India. Number 1. Normal or unirrigated agriculture. The agriculture which is dependent on monsoon is called normal or unirrigated agriculture. The crops are as follows. Number 1. Sorghum, millet. Millet are grown in arid regions. Sorghum. Sorghum is grown in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Millet. Millet is grown in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra in India. Students, there are 4 farming methods in India. First one is normal or unirrigated agriculture. Second one is dry farming. Third one is irrigated farming. And fourth is plantation farming. Let's study about them. The first one is normal or unirrigated agriculture. The agriculture in which water is provided through monsoon rains only is called normal or unirrigated agriculture. For example, millet, that is jawar, bajra, corn, groundnut, all these crops are grown in this type of agriculture. Here, sorghum is jawar and millet is also known as bajra. Sorghum is grown in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And bajra is grown in large quantity in Rajasthan. Apart from Rajasthan, it is also grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos and do comment on all the videos.